set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? But if I lay down and I play dead and I
Hey yo, what's up everybody? So I'm starting the new live stream from today, and I will start with the new chart. Yep, so let's see what we are doing for Bitcoin as of right now. So first of all, what I was thinking was I'm going from this low for a 5-wave structure. So we will start with the new chart. So this will be our first wave, second, and this was our third. So now we are looking for that fourth wave, and then we will continue towards the fifth. So where will the fourth wave be? That is the main question. But as of right now we can see that the current price action is only in the sideways, and this could be an ABC correction. So we can take this as an ABC correction, but if the price goes lower, like I'm expecting, at least on the 2-hour chart, there is an order block. approximately at this level. So I'm looking at this level right now. So this could be a probability of the fourth wave, which will take out the liquidity under the previous low. So first of all, we have to know that there is also a bullish probability also because of the FJ trading. Oh, what is up, bro? So first, let's go through just a minute. So we are looking currently at the heat map. So the heat map is approximately the first highest liquidation level is at $112,000, which is a higher probability that we will go to take out that high. And also we can see right now that the CVD indicator is currently going lower and lower, more selling pressure coming into the market, but the price is still going higher. So this is a bullish indication. But we have still to see some long position getting liquidated at least under the previous low. So I will explain how we can look at that. So first of all, we get back to trading view. So this area is currently a important area, as we can see from the low, and we go till the high. Our golden pocket will be approximately at the price of $116,629. So this will be the main area we could be looking to enter a long position. So what we are expecting right now is, at least if we break the B wave, then we can look for a higher probability of 5-wave structure from here. So if the B wave is broken, then there is a higher probability that this will be our first wave, the second wave, and we can continue towards the upside with a 5-wave structure. So this is the main target I am looking. So it will be same like the high time frame 5-wave structure, both will end at the same place. So there is a higher probability of this playing out, but still we have to break the B wave to be confirmed. But until then, we can still look for a long position at the golden pocket, which will be approximately 116,677. So we could look to enter a long position at the golden pocket, and also we have to place a bigger stop loss, like at least to 1.72% at $114,673. And for the last take profit target, we can at least go till the B wave. So if this is broken, we can just take some profit out of here, and then we can go for the last take profit for higher levels. So we can go at least for a 4 risk to reward ratio, which will lead up to $124,608, a 6.8% move. So this will be our main goal, but for now we still have to confirm that. So let's take a look at some other data. So next will be our USDT dominance. If you are on my Discord, I have already updated this dominance chart. So I am still expecting lower prices until we reach 4.51. So this will be a good move, at least a liquidation grab and then a continuation back down. So this is what I am expecting from USDT dominance. And let's see, Bitcoin dominance is also now starting to crash down. As you can see, we were just making higher highs, so now we have a new low. So there's a higher probability that we just break down from here and then just continue towards 55.85% is the last target, which would be a good altcoin move also, because right now all the altcoins are still falling. So this is what we expect for the dominance chart. So I have already updated you with the total 3 market cap. So the demand area is the main target for the fourth wave. So if we reach the demand area, then we can start loading up on the altcoins, and we can target the 1.618, which is the trend based Fibonacci level. So this will be at 1.23 trillion. So the altcoins can move higher from the demand zone, but most of my limit orders are placed accordingly towards this demand area, and we can look to go much higher. So first, Solana is currently really bullish. So where I'm looking to enter this Solana trade is approximately at the previous high here. So this will be a good liquidity grab under this low. which we could look to enter at the price $168.78, and the stop loss could be placed under this low, which will be at 157.23. so this will be a good entry spot and a stop loss. So the next is the last take profit target. We can go on the 12-hour chart. So next we look for some supply areas. The supply area would be at the price of $220. so this is a good area to look to sell. So this trade would be a 4.51 risk to reward and a total net profit of 30%. So but we have to take profit along the way. So the first take profit target will be at 184.67. so we can take profit and move our stop loss back to the entry level. Next will be, which coin would we do next? So you have any requests? Thank you for being here. Bitcoin is just chopping along the way, not moving much. But also we have to keep an eye on this demand level here. This demand level is really important because if we go on the 12-hour chart, we can just take the Fibonacci from the low to the high, then this will be the golden pocket. So if we have a chance to come reach this demand level, then we can also buy in spot, so we can expect some higher price actions, which is also, you can see that it was our previous all-time high, so it has a confluence at the same level. So let's see in a lower time frame. If we go on the 1-hour chart, we can use our trend based Fibonacci from this high till this low and the current high, and we can change it to the 1:1 Fibonacci ratio. Then we have almost hit the level, but there is still a chance to take this liquidity and then just continue up. So hopefully they don't front run us from here, but this would be the main entry I'm looking at, the 116.677. So let's see some altcoins. If you have any altcoin requests, just post it on the chat. I will take a look. Until then, we can look for BNB has been bullish. AVAX is good. Okay, let's take a look at AVAX. AVAX is easy to identify where we could look, so we will take this bullish order block here. This looks similar to the total 3, so we can see a push down from here and then we get the long position. So if we take a look, we can look to enter at $22.11 and we can place the stop loss below this low at $20.18, and for the last take profit target obviously will be this supply area, which will be at 33.80. so this trade would be a 6 risk to reward and a 52% total net profit, but for the first take profit target we can look to take at this candle's low. So 24.99 will be the first take profit level, and you can move your stop loss to the entry after reaching the first take profit. So this will be AVAX, but there is still time to be taken. because the market is currently not doing so much. Only some altcoins are falling, but Bitcoin is just ranging here until we see that golden pocket retrace. We can wait, or we can also place a limit order at our entries. Let's take a look. We have really, if you check out my Discord, the link is in the description. If you come into my Discord, I have also posted some analysis. So I'm looking at ARC also. Here, see, I have a lot of altcoin analysis. So I'm looking for that fifth wave and then the continuation. After the fifth wave, there will be a short squeeze just pushing the price higher. So at least a 340%. I have shared all the analysis. If you want, you can check it out. The Discord link is in the description. Right now AVAX is having a really strong move to the downside. We have an order block here, but I don't think it will hold if Bitcoin reaches the golden pocket. So we'll take out the liquidity and then we will just enter in the order block and then the continuation. So what are the other coins we can be looking at? We can look at Bonk again. Bonk, I'm waiting for this order block. Even I want to look to enter there. So on the 1 day chart, we hit the 1.618 exactly. FJ trading, I have a long on AVAX. Chill, bro. Yeah, your long is going good. So let's see. So what we are expecting in Bonk USDT is this order block, the demand area at 0.402463, which we can look to be entering a long or a spot position, but the stop loss has to be placed below this low, or you can also place under the order block at 0.402104. The last take profit target will be at the high, or the all-time high will be at 0.406230. So this trade will be 10.27 risk to reward and 152% total net profit. So we have this point of control exactly in the demand area, so it's a good confluence zone. Other than that, we can take our first take profit under the previous low, which will now turn into a resistance. So first take profit will be at 0.403098. So after taking the profit, you can move your stop loss back to entry levels, and you can just use trailing stop loss along the way. Bonk looks good after the meme coin exchange was launched. Almost 256% move. Is there any other coin we can take a look at? Sui. I was looking at Sui already. Sui looks good. We can go. I think Sui can reach the all-time high quicker. So currently we have a order block at approximately 3.4725. We can be looking to enter a long position over there because we also have a liquidity grab under the previous low. 3.4859 would be our entry, and the stop loss can be placed under the low at 3.2680, and the last take profit target will be the all-time high at 5.3676. This trade would be 8.64 risk to reward and a total net profit of 53%. For the take profit will be this candle, this bearish candle low at 3.8823. And then when you take your profit, and you can just move your stop loss back to entry. EI80. What about XCN? XCN, let me take a look. XC. Let's go with a Bybit chart. Bybit, okay. Oh, this looks really good. We have a long-term viewer in the sideways zone for a long term. Let me see. It's more like a triangle or a falling wedge pattern. The only thing bearish is we just broke out, and we could be looking at a fake out again. But let's see. 1 day chart, we are currently testing this order block. Okay, we could be looking higher. If you're looking for a scalp, you can go like this. We have a bearish order block higher, so you can go like again if we retest this demand area at 0.01583, and you can place your stop loss below this low at 0.014756, and for the last take profit target will be the bearish order block. So this will be a scalp like a 2.13 risk to reward and a 14.55 take profit level. So the take profit will be obviously the high to take out the liquidity at 0.016958 will be the first target. Just after taking target, you can just Alexo Crypto. Bro, thank you for helping out with the live stream. I got the schedule right. We winning. Yep. So currently we are looking at a 5-wave structure move. So this will be our first wave, second wave, third. This was the fourth wave. We can expect a higher wave, at least taking out this high. We sold. Yep. If you're looking for a spot position, then you could look to enter currently in the market order, and you can just place your stop loss under the low, and you can target the high at 0.022461, which will be 39.37 total net profit and a 4.59 risk to reward ratio. So for the if you're taking profit on a spot position, then you can move your first target at 0.018144. So this will be a better place for take profit if you're looking for a spot buy position. But this coin can go even higher, but for now this will be our play. So this will, after taking profit, always move your stop loss to entry. We had a bounce from this order block, so yeah, there is a higher probability we just continue towards the upside. in a higher time frame, we can see this will be a ABC move. So this will be much higher, so we can even use the trend based Fibonacci from this low, this high, and the current low. We can target also the 1:1 Fibonacci level. If you're on spot, you can target 0.031842, so a total net profit of 96%. We have Sol, AVAX, we have Bonk, we have Sui, for the Sui long last take profit target. We can also use the trend based Fibonacci till the 1.618, which will be $6.4702. From our entry, that will be a 84% move, so that's a good level to take your last take profit target. Yep. So other than that, we have do we have any other coins? Let me check. We can look at DOT, maybe we have a good trade on that. Yeah, we already updated the analysis, so we were looking for this. On the 1-day chart, we had a order block exactly at this level, so this is what we were waiting for. Exactly, we reached the order block, and we had a pump of approximately, from the order block till the high would have been 45% move, but there is more higher probability we go higher, because if we are looking at the higher picture, then there is we have like DOT 2.0 maybe coming in soon, but this will be my main target. I don't think DOT will reach the all-time high again, but there is a higher chance that we at least reach this order block at $20.6. Oh yeah, we have I was looking at Dodge today, and we can be looking at the 4-hour chart. We already missed it, I guess. I was looking at this level, this order block here. Yeah, we already missed that one. Doge has a higher probability we go up, because this was our A, B and C. Hey Rishad, how are you? this is my first time streaming, so it's I'll get better